Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to send stars on Monopoly Go. We're looking for a quick guide on how to send stars on Monopoly Go. Stay tuned because this one's for you. All right, so how to send stars in Monopoly Go. It's not hard, it's not complicated, but you need to understand a few things first. Which, for starters, you're not actually sending stars, but stickers that are worth stars. So it's easy to say how many stars an individual sticker is worth. So as each has between 1 and 5 at the top of the sticker artwork. So to send stars, you need to find out which stickers your friend has and send them duplicates. So you need duplicates, right? Instead of getting the duplicate sticker, they get the number of stars the sticker is worth. So the process does require a little coordination, but it's a great way to share Monopoly Go stars with a friend if you can't figure it out. So to do this, go onto your Monopoly Go sticker album, select a sticker that you have duplicate copies of, select send to a friend, and choose the friend that you want to send a sticker to, and that's pretty much how it worked. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.